Look like what? Bumped.
You know, like,
It's right. So on the plane. We just landed in Miami. I guess it's gonna be a fun time. A good weekend. Our rest of our crew, well, one of the crew is already there. This way. Yeah. Ready to have some fun. We're waiting for our lift. So we flew into Fort Lauderdale. We thought the airport in Fort Lauderdale was a little closer to our hotel than it really is, but it's saying it's gonna take 50 minutes to get there. But when we looked it up, it was, I think it said like 20. So I don't know. Maybe it's a lot of traffic, but we've made it. It is very humid. Extremely. I'm so glad that I got this done to my hair. Girl, that would not have worked. It would have been disaster. Tara commented on our picture on Facebook. She was like, "See you guys soon." And she put like a little drink beside it, so I guess she's got the drink already.
I know she's about to.
Yeah, of course. All right, so we're just sitting here waiting. We made it to the hotel. There's April. It was the longest Lyft ride of life. It took, well, no, actually I've had like a longer Lyft ride, but it took us a little less than an hour, like 50 minutes, 45 minutes. But our Lyft driver was nice. He was very informative, a little too informative actually, because me and April was sleepy. We were kind of trying to take naps, and he was trying to point out buildings to us. And oh, here's the elevator. Me and April think we should have got an upgrade on our room. April should have worked her magic. Because everybody talks to April. People don't talk to me, but random people. Oh, it smells weird up here. Oh, we've made it to the room. It's cute. Okay. Room tour time. All right, so here's the front door. You come in, it's a little seat right here. To the left, we have el baño. Push the light. That's nice. Nice mirror. Oh, look at this shower. This is cute. It's big.
That's cute. Oh, look, we can put these on the door on the outside. Look.
Oh, that's cute. A little privacy thing.
Please clean my
This
room.
closet is so cute.
I know, I like that.
Let's see what we got. Oh, this is so cute. Look. Oh, and it's two of them. Oh, no, it's only one.
This one over there, too.
Isn't it? I love this. And then here is the room. Me and April just got one bed. We can sleep in bed together. We don't mind. Here's another closet. Oh, it's got umbrellas in there. I love this lamp. I need to know where this lamp is from because my lamp broke when I was moving, so I need another one. And TV. And we don't have a balcony, but we have like a little view, I guess. Oh, we can see actually we can see the ocean a little bit over here.
I know, I'm hungry.
Headboard is nice. So yeah, so that's our room. We are so hungry.
Look, we got $50.
I know, we got like a 50. Did you book that through something different? How How did you get that?
I don't know.
Well, we got a $50 credit, and we're going to use it. Every penny of it. We're probably gonna use it right now because we hungry. But yeah, so our other friend, she is already here. She probably at the pool and probably had several drinks by now.
Please tell me I have my drawing. Yes.
It's time to fly. So now we're at the pool and we have another member. Hold on, I have to sit over here.
Oh, let me fix my hair.
This is Tara, and today is her birthday. That is why we are here. Yes. And we have one more person coming. What is it?
Tomorrow.
What is her name?
Janie.
Janie. So she'll be in the vlog tomorrow if she wants to be. You know,
Yeah.
some people don't. But now we're hungry. We're trying to figure out what to eat, and I don't know what we're doing later.
Let me get the South Beach experience.
Whatever that is. We're on the rooftop, and it is gorgeous up here. April's trying to take a picture. I'm in her picture. But this is what it looks like. It's so nice up here. Oh, it's so pretty. And the weather is amazing. It feels so good. This building, they're doing construction. It's kind of an ugly view, but say hi, April. April has all her cheeks out. Mm-hmm.
No, I don't.
Wait till you see these cheeks. Well, I can't show her cheeks because, I mean, this is
My cheeks are
YouTube,
put
but cheeks out. So we're getting ready to go meet Tara downstairs and go out. We don't know where we're going, but we're just.
She bad.
Where's April's outfit? All right, we're ready. Look at my purse. And head out. Tara got us walking all around Miami.
I know.
We've been walking for what, like 20 minutes?
Maybe we need to go.
And now we've made it to this beach that we don't even know we can walk on. It's nice outside, but it's a little humid. I know, I'm thirsty. I want some water. Yeah, we're definitely getting our exercise. Thanks to Tara. And she's going to Orange Theory in the morning, so she doesn't need this exercise. Huh? Right. We need to, though, since me and April are going to go to the mall in the morning. Of course, I'm going to find a Zara. Not that I have any room left in my bag, but I'm going to probably buy some stuff anyway. Okay, we gotta find some more. Good morning. We're on the little elevator again. Here's April. She don't have her cheeks out today, but she got her back out. Oh wait. Oh, there it is. I kind of sort of have my cheeks out today, but so we're about to go get breakfast, and then we're going to go do a little shopping, which I'm very excited about. I'm always excited about shopping. We were so tired last night. I don't even remember falling asleep. Where are we going to eat breakfast? I guess we're eating breakfast here. Me and April made it to the shopping. She's bought something. I haven't bought anything yet.
Just $2.
People be finding them deals. Yeah. Let's see how much stuff I actually end up buying. Probably not that much. Almost the whole day and I haven't we did go shopping, but it was not a shop till you drop moment. I bought 2 things to wear tonight. And April, what'd you buy? She bought a dress to wear tonight. We had to get skank dresses. They're not that skanky though. But yeah, now we're going out to the beach to take some pictures and just hang out for a little bit. Ooh, I can take my flip-flops off. Hold on. Woo! Oh God. Ugh. Oh, this sand is hot. Oh gosh. It's so nice out here though. Vlog while we're at the elevator. There's April. We had a little photo shoot. Here's April's, oh my God, it's away. April's ensemble. My ensemble. We're looking like some Skittles. Taste the rainbow. So we're going to dinner first, and then we're going to Story. So excited. So we have a new member.
Janie.
Hi! We just finished dinner at, what is it called? Komodo. It was good. I didn't vlog in there because it was a lot of loud music playing. Here's April. She's resting her feet.
Yes, my feet are tired.
Mine are too. My feet kind of, they're doing okay, I guess. But we're waiting on our.
The pain we go through to be beautiful.
All right. We're waiting on our Uber so we can go to Story. To have
DJ
lunch.
Khaled.
Yes, Tara's very excited.
The birthday girl.
Yes. So yeah, the night is still young. It's only what, 11 o'clock? 11 o'clock. We have time. So we still have a few hours left to party.
Come on, Panthers. Y'all better win today.
I know, right?
Gotta
But
do this.
we don't even know who the Panthers are playing today. Who they playing? We're sitting downstairs. Oh, you gonna take a guess?
Go ahead.
Waiting for Tara and Janie. Janie? I always want to say her name wrong. Sorry. We're getting ready to go to breakfast before me and April head out. They're staying an extra day, but we're leaving today. We don't want to go back because we had so much fun. Although last night, our night was cut short because you're talking about some people's feet hurting. We was tiptoe Tammy to the car. Walking like some baby deer because my feet were on fire, like they were starting to burn. But we were cute though. We were. We had a good time. I didn't even go get a massage. April, like, she really concentrating on whatever she doing. And April have a screen protector, like not a screen protector, but it's like a Privacy screen? Like, look. Well, oh no, they can
See how
see. You can see it now.
But
It's
at an
here.
angle, you can't see it.
Yeah, you see how you can't see her screen? She don't want to. And then when her text messages come up, you can't see. So, you know, like normally on the screen, you can at least see who's sending the text. Like on mine,
I had some things come through one time before.
mine you can at least see the person's name. You can't see the message, but you can see the name. Hers, it just say text message. You don't see anything.
Baby,
She don't want nobody knowing her business. Hey, I ain't mad at you. I need to see if my phone can do that. Because people nosy. I don't have a lot of people's numbers saved in my phone. so if certain people text me, you don't even know it's them. Unless you recognize the area code. But what time are we leaving?
They said they're
I mean leaving to go to the airport though.
I think probably about at 12:30 at the latest.
Oh. Where's this place? It's close?
Yeah, I don't know if she wanted to walk or.
What time is checkout? What time we gotta do?
12.
Oh. So we don't have that much time. We gotta get there, eat, and get back.